Good morning, guys. We're on the last day of our trip here to Pohnpei. We just want to say thank you for everything. Thank you to our families here. We're going to miss you all, and we're going to take care of a few things before saying our last goodbyes to our family, and then we're going to head back to Seattle again. Hope you guys are okay. And also, like, today's Father's Day, so I just want to wish all the dads out there happy Father's Day, and continue to do your role as father figures, or continue to do your responsibility as dads to your family and kids, and just stay blessed. We're blessed to have another beautiful day here in Pohnpei, and it's all to the glory of God. Thank you. And it's another blessing. So yeah. Okay, well, yeah, last day. We already got all our stuff checked in. We got our boarding passes, and just waiting for the airplane to land. The time now is 1:52. We start boarding at 2:45, and then right now we're just we came back to say our last farewell, or say bye to family members, our families here in Liberty. Natski disogerir reparar hari sikit suara susuk diso capur ngeri kewi. Yeah, that. Congressman, BAB, jam awak diso pun. Hari Congressman ni buat jam. Congressman cek. Kak. Kak. Uten bro. Wa. Oh, cirawan mah. Cirawan. Siap. Ya. Jadi mami betul pasal so very happy family. Oh yeah, yeah. Hai tadi. Everyday life. Okay, this is the island life. Yeah, you don't go. Look. Last time we came back here, it was in 2013, 2015. This was when Elston and Marlson were still babies. But now Marlson is a big man. He's in high school. Oh, he just graduated high school. Ah, yeah. What are you doing? Huh? I got follow it? Oh, how do you net caro? Para church pache di see that net? Pues up that fast. Oh, that's pretty smart. Oh, good. Kaya Lili panene. Kifa ida panene. Kaya Lili panene.
Kako kira tamati.
Check katami kara.
Ini okay. Nasiya ako.
Rukun. Oh, rekapas ito.
Yan betanas.
Oh, iba sara ya.
Dapat ka.
Oh. Sapan bagay. Ya. Kici fatale kakara porosa.
Ayay mas ni. Nay Kristen may sela. Kaylin, say hi. Apa kan kapong pumayay. Pupuan YouTube.
Welcome to Liberty.
Oh, yeah, JP. Hi. Wait, care. Aitan. Ayan, sister. Hey, mommy. Pala, sister. Hey, mommy.
Oh, yang kan kwarto ngayon kuma pichi.
Anet siya.
Nanay kakaposhi kuma pichi.
Iba po
Today
man.
is Father's Day.
Wara. Mamet siya. Ngayon na chance.
Chinsu a barbecue turkey.
Oh, chance akan barbecue. Hutianan barbecue turkey. May name mo ron. Sa kanyan.
Sama no nation seron pegan social my school. Dua, every story radio kamu nak cakap dia. Ibu mereka no dia ni man kasume pi mereka. Wena go wait, samine pentan sekong orang ni keluar. Dua, ekor akan mutlak edu itu no raja no dia. Itu kan utang bukan itu. Orang kau ini kita itu, awal ni makan apa sampai tanpa tu orang. Nggak, kalau relationship dia tidak, nak tak. Ada apa? Orang itu bukan awal ini. Ada orang itu bukan dia ceri.
Kapong.
Ya, aku tahu kan juga. Aku dah rasa.
Tarsan kapong.
Ada kan
Boleh on YouTube.
Turururu inay bebed. Kawele lock gaze bisyo kosu komen bed. Kosu shop kili nga siya
Orang ini kurang ni biar ni. Orang ini bila dia belum pakai kamu, orang ini nak waktu buat kerja.
Ay sa palino ni gay. Ay ko tabi ko do problema. Forify kaya lo.
Ada lewan. Kalian yang buka tu, kabur bawa tempat.
JP tabo po. Alis si tamo ka. Pansin ko ni Perez. Oye, Juan, dan Kafanar Perez. Happy Father's Day.
Oh. So travel.
May ye one on tan YouTube may ye.
Wah, dia kapo ngayak kapo.
Or. Okay, ye maran. Kapong po ye sa on YouTube ye. Ay siya ka na yo. Monsa na.
Dosa kapo. Wah, may keren no picture bele pwede kiti ke mah.
Or kilis sa.
Apa-apa.
Di. Inaaya away. Ngawet check. Support. Okay.
Nakamukha. Alam ko ba? Wala ya. Ano ko betul ni dia. Ada muka betul komplit.
Ang sana siya pitinaraw siya po alam po. Nabab ka rin namin magay din.
So sabur na kami ay pahila sa taon niya ay nakapong na pwede mo.
Okay. Ano on YouTube.
Na, wala na siya ko ng pala mo ni kami no na siya sa pa.
So ba tao nila meron din.
So, sampaikan chef. Chef lang sa lang.
Wala.
Nakapong nila ni po. Nabab pa siya pirami sa kala.
Och Sara se fakturor at ifa kar med sipogeri kevi saate kar krisore vi kupkar awe resferi tarat sve krisore kevi
So, Ricky.
ya pura part kapung ngeri kevi kriso chapur ngeri kevi very shit kriso sefat kriso sefat kriso mare ponno swapat chufat
Saka cek kapong iya.
kriso ngeri kevi bye bye bye
Kapan cucua.
okay bye good kriso
Besok ngani kami ya.
yak or nu rätt fon mira så vad så kriso ngeri kevi
Ang ayaw siya. Ang ayaw chocho pa so nan siya. Ata, napal mo siya.
vi har nog okej
Ang chocho na kaya.
okej jo jag said naf nu att jag är med sig okej okej bye
Oo. Pwede ito na chicken ni Puya Mandakilo na. Pichi fish.
rasa power mercado
Tayo mo kwat kapong segment.
JP, wag ka plastic quick walo non porna.
okay so kriso ngeri kevi
Bye.
Bye.
ahora katawan YouTube ha kamu bilangin fighter
Iya eh.
Oi tara Vietnam Sunset meter
View car rental.
okay yeah Sunset View car rental good customer service good price and they have good vehicles
Inaitan sit. Ito mo.
chef
Chef. Iratan mo sila.
oh wait
Nomor kor. Nani.
oh kasi apa shop ka po ha
Mga light ko ta.
pura kapo ini pura porno krama krednop
Okay na.
so
Ya, pa sa.
yeah Thank you. Kristo. Kristo tabuk. Kristo. Hah? Subset, red asir. Oops, excuse me. Apa sa ferop kapok?
Oi, kapag sefer, pagulakan safe trip.
Oh,
I'll
Kristo.
be waiting for the edit and subscription.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Lily.
Minor pansi. Sabtu.
Okay, bye.
Hi. Group 1, Group 1. You in Group 1? Group 1, Group 1. Are you in Group 1?
I wish.
Are you guys in Group 1? No?
Maybe 4 or 5, I don't know. We're always the last.
Calling for Group 1. Calling for Group 1.
Good job.
Group 2. Group 3. Group 3. Hey, Group 2. Group 3. Oh, you guys are Group 3? Very lucky. Oh, boarding Group 3. Lily. I
We're group 1.
3. Oh. Bye bye, Pohnpei. Bye bye. You have to come. You look familiar.
Bye.
Wait, we gotta wait for everybody. You gotta. Santa, you really are in a rush, huh? I said you are in a rush.
So happy to go home.
Huh?
Bye guys. We can't wait to go on.
Hold this. You guys vlog so I can put this in my bag. 32F.
Guys, this is Auntie Avila. Guys, since leaving Pohnpei, the only thing I know how to say is Kalangan. But this is my first time in Pohnpei. Very, very. Can you say it?
Very, very hot.
Wayo. It's hot. Okay, turn it. I don't know how to do this. Guys, can you guys screenshot this? Screenshot this. Meet the plane. Oh wait, the lighting is this way. Screenshot. Okay, here.
There's another team. How come Auntie Lily's late?
Group 5.
Huh? Yes. Oh, there she is. All right.
Shout out Washington. Shout out
32.
Oregon, shout out Guam.
What? Hey. Okay. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Okay. All right. Huh? Was very sila biotchobo warabitit. All of this. Hey. Pacho chori si baca tori Chuuk upateti Chuuk. Ya karani rai upatori Chuuk. Ah. Okay, let's go. Lily. Yay. All right. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. Woo. Finally, we're back on the plane. It looks like you're struggling there, Sunda.
My feet. My feet.
32 what?
Something.
Alright, I'm gonna shut it off now because I'm gonna head inside. You got it. You're doing a great job right there. Yeah, no murid. What's your seat number? What's your seat number? 35. 35? I'm 32. I think we're 32. Finally, we're in the plane. It's so hot. Yeah.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard 176 Chuuk. 1 hour 5 minutes take off the touchdowns are scheduled time today. Weather there is not unlike here. It's overcast, partly overcast, guys. Temperature right around 32 degrees Celsius, 91.
Why does it look like it's full?
32. Tips in the back for your safety. So please maybe take no attention to those briefings. Once airborne, we're not expecting much in the way of turbulence, but it can happen at any time. So just going to make sure the seatbelts are securely fastened about you.
Lily, I think
I
think we're just gonna put up our thing over there because it's 32.
Again, 1 hour 5 minutes.
Maybe just a little bit down. 32, right? Why is it closed?
Oh, it's okay now.
Huh?
32.
Can you try pull it down if it's full? All right, it's okay. We'll just put them up here. Yeah, we'll just put them up here.
Sorry, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, we may have your attention, please. We are gauging for the passenger last name Timothy, first initial
Timothy.
A. If you are on board, please press your flight attendant call button or make yourself visible to a ground agent. Once again, that is last name Timothy, first initial K. Thank you.
If you've adjusted your
Hello.
please
Hello.
back to your original position. If you notice your personal electronic device
Second,
please notify a flight attendant.
second. Vice President is right there. Yeah, he's the Vice President. All right, it's a little tight. Okay, we'll vlog in Chuuk, okay?
Servicing and inspection during a stopover.
Finally in
We'll let you
Chuuk.
know once they have reopened.
We just landed
Additionally, if you
in
would like to
Chuuk.
stay on board during the stopover,
Wow.
please remain comfortably
I'm not
seated
getting
so
off
that
here.
During our stopover,
I mean, I'm not
ground
staying here,
personnel
but
will inspect the interior of the aircraft.
I want to get down and at least
And from all of
touch.
the United and our Starland partners,
Moro
we've
kami
enjoyed having you
niyaw
on
at Chuuk.
board.
Moro
Once the
at
fasten
Chuuk.
seatbelt sign is turned on, please take clear of the door area to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Thank you again and welcome
Moro
to
at
Chuuk.
Chuuk. Maniyaw at Chuuk, yeah. I was hoping to catch the first flight today so I can at least spend a little time here in Chuuk. I know. I was just saying that I wish I had. Oh, Kayo ka video with. But it's okay. Next time.
Oh,
Next time. Oh, ever. Pregate to chirep kecho. Ever, people. We're gonna try to get off so we can check out the airport. Alright, we're gonna go check out Chuuk. We're gonna check out Tirivauro Chuuk. How would you watch David now? Siapa juga cor kuap? Alright. Run in. Oh, alright. Welcome to Chuuk. Apa tahun pasti apa kita apa ceki kami okey kan? Dave. Ya, po uti-uti yan. Oh. Ayun. Okay, selamat cu. Krisok.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Selamat cu. Krisok. Dari sapu. Okay, Sokchu. Bye. Oh.
Apa ba dari
Oh.
Ini harus kena apa dia macam kita dekat ada kampung ni.
Iya. Oh. Mira, selamat cu. Bye.
Mereka pasti aku
Bye bye. Bye. All right.
They said to bring everything down.
Where do we?
Are you going back to Guam?
Yeah.
I think you go there.
All right, thank you. Okay, apa kau rokok? Bubu kasih cigewi.
Yeah, just for like 5 minutes. Just Papa, if you see this, I'm sorry. I'm just a little bit.
Can you believe it? For a long time, this is my first time again to Chuuk. After since 2015. Where do we wait? Nim, yeah, put over to it, yeah. Okay. Okay, let's wait outside. You're staying over here? Yeah. Yeah, hey.
You couple of medicine, John. Grown up, best by getting children, Rapua Pachuri, or when me chair. No, to a chicken, YouTuber. They were a middle Murinda and where are right at someone on girl. Getting so.
He's so tough.
Untuk kapok gitu, raran di bawah sini, tiro, raran di sini Chuuk.
Okay, so sahabat si Sabet. Iwayo ako ro kawat te. Abo.
No? I was trying to see if I can contact
It's okay.
my family and shit. Here, let me just leave a message. Hi, Mama. I mean, Mama. Hi, Papa and Mama Cousin.
Hi, Mama, cousin, and the boys, and Papa. Sorry I stopped and touched down Chuuk, but we're gonna board again. Bye, Chuuk.
Welcome
Boarding
aboard.
group number 1, you're now welcome to board at this time.
Chuuk is in the building. Big fan of Big fan of Chuuk. She's right in that corner. She's right in that corner right there. She is. Wow. Gusto nga para visitor nga rin Chuuk. Kaya check ito spot na airport paano sa fan. Oh. Santa?
Bye, Chuuk.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's a white don't even.
But I'm happy I'm able to see Chuuk.
You want Yanish passport?
Oh wait, I'm group number 3, so I have to go first. Sorry.
When you put up with group number 3, then I group.
Boarding group number 2, you're now welcome to board at this time. Welcome aboard.
Yeah. Wait, because let me see. Where is?
Boarding group number 3, you're now welcome to board at this time. Welcome aboard.
Are you a US or a FSM? You're FSM?
FSM. Yes.
Look, they spelled my name wrong.
Then that means you're not coming on the plane. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, I'll see you guys on the plane. Okay? See you on the plane.
Sorry. Can you tell me?
So. Oh, ewan po no Chuuk. No, City Chuuk. Woo. Your seat number is from 30 to 38. Report from the back. If not, board in the front. 32? 32. The back. Bahay na rafrak ko, man. Yeah. Sa Portucioro Chuuk vai sai. Sora per se carnuta WhatsApp. Santa, what seat do you have? I thought you stay in the back. Huh? You're on this side, yeah. I'll see you in the front. Oh, there comes Chuuk. There comes Chuuk. Ningin mi kan beri pata. Huh? You can go. I'm just waiting for them. Mi pechekete, baby, I got your lunch. Pichek! Yeah. My goodness, I can't believe I'm here in Chuuk and I. He said, "Whoa, Kura." I'm just stuck here at the airport. It's okay. I'm grateful. I'm grateful that I'm able to come back. Second lady ya poro sapu eran sapu mami po erako. Hey, right here. Right here. Okay. Okay. You there? Okay. I'm ready. Bye. Yeah, we're super tired na to. So, thank you. Huh? Okay, here. Let me see it. Huh?
Laboratory?
Yeah, Steve will not check. Okay.
Crystal.
Crystal, shop ka po. Shop ka po. Hey, भाई I'm just cut to recover. Happy to take you. I'm just pushing car whatever. Job Midland. Oh, check me out. You're right. Off what's chirp. As you said again. Jag tar standby. Jag tar Februari. Jag would for bara not fudge. Jag tar standby. Jag tar standby. Kabusi siri gariya. Jag tar fa nerio och kagat på taket vi då. Any way I will marriage lunch. Okay. All right. Marlon, look at this guy. Look at this guy.
You've been here, man. Marcin Austin, guess to the team, man.
See, we're stuck here in Guam. We're stuck here on Guam. Stuck and stuck. And then this guy is gonna go and take us to the restaurant. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh!
Say good night and goodbye.
You guys just came to say good night and goodbye?
Yep.
Oh, I don't like the sound of that. All right. Well, thank you very much. Good seeing you guys.
Good seeing you. Have a safe flight.
Thank you. Thank you.
And have a good safe flight.
Thank you. Hopefully we'll come back again with the rest of the crew, okay?
Yes.
All right. Bye. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Okay. Mira. You show.
Love you.
Love you. Love you. Hey, Riva. Love you.
Love you.
Big
Happy
man.
Father's Day again. Yeah.
Okay. Bye. Okay. Good night. Drive safe. Good night. What time is it? Huh? I think our time is 4 something or 5 something in the morning. So we're just waiting for our last flight out from Guam. These guys are still up since last night. I'm about to crash. Yes. Alright. See you folks on the other side.
We almost got lost
Stop
again.
it. Stop it. This is too early for this. It's been a rough morning, guys.
Going to Honolulu. We're gonna wait for everybody to board so we can get on the plane, head out. We're back in Seattle. We're back in Seattle waiting for Marlson to come pick us up. The sun is not too bad. We can actually stay out in the sun because it's not very scorching, very hot. The sun is not that hot. You can actually stay out. Not compared to Pohnpei. Pohnpei was so hot. Mamia po si Dia Fabri. Oh, whoa!
Happy Father's Day.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thanks. Thanks. You know, I'm not in Hawaii, so you don't have to put this on. Why'd you have to put this on? I already came from Hawaii, dude. Where's the car? Oh.
You guys check over here. You guys check around for a picture, yeah? We're supposed to go at the temporary. Waiting for you.
Oh, if it isn't the Hawaiian boy. Hey, how are you, man? Hi and bye, I guess.
Hi and bye.
Oh, so Kiani's going. Oh, Kiani. Thanks for coming to Seattle, man. Why so fast? Like, why are you leaving now?
Because I got work.
You gotta work? Okay, that's good. That's good. Well, tell your mom and dad thank you.
Yeah. Hopefully next time I catch you here.
Yes.
Wait, that's frozen.
It's gonna move in. Okay, that's good. Take this. Uh-oh. Whose bag is this? It's gonna get mixed up with mine.
Curbside is for immediate loading and unloading only. You may be ticketed or towed.
Thank you. That's your bag? Is this your bag? Huh? Alright guys, so thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the other side, okay? Peace. Yeah, hey.
Welcome to Washington.
Well, I have to let you.
What?
Kan puasa.
Yeah, if I watch no stugging. Huh? If I watch no stugging. Yeah.